welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm back with another lighting video for the C6, and if you haven't already, check out my parking light LED upgrade that I just did today actually. And today we're going to be doing our fog lights here, so getting rid of the halogen fog lights and throwing in some LED fog lights. I picked these fog lights up for about 20 bucks or so, I'd say. So with those being the H10s, it should fit right up here. And here's the LED. Pick these up on Amazon, like I said, 1-day shipping. They look great. I'm excited, guys. I think it's gonna look a lot better than the stock light there. These are 6000K, so should be ice white. Should look a lot better than the halogen. And let's go ahead and jump right into the install, guys. Very, very simple. Well, guys, coming to the side, what else would we expect other than some good old-fashioned push pins? So here we go, right here and here. And then for safe measure, we may have to pop this one off, but we'll see. But for right now, we're gonna take these 4, and this should expose our flap here. So guys, it turned out just needing to be these 5 here. And then you'll be able to expose and reveal your light. So guys, after you peel it back, it's gonna be really hard to do this with filming, but after you peel it back, you can see your fog light housing there. There's the light itself. It's just gonna be a turn to the left or to the right, and there's T15 Torx like locking screws around it. You may need to get into there with a screwdriver and loosen those or tighten those depending on how they feel. But those are not going to be super tight. They should just be holding it in place for you. So that's the light there. We're gonna go ahead and take that out and unclip it and then clip in our new light. And here's a little side-by-side, guys, of the LED and the stock bulb there. You can see the difference, and boy, you're gonna be able to tell the lighting difference. So let's go ahead and twist this new one on. Remember, guys, always go ahead and test. There was no audio on that one just because the car had to be running, so it's a little bit louder. But as you can see, the lighting difference is insane. It's extremely brighter. It's hard to tell kind of in the daylight here with everything going on, but along my garage, I could just see the LED beating off, which is awesome. I think it's gonna bring great visibility at night. It's almost kind of firing me up to go ahead and just get these HIDs that come stock with the car changed, because I really don't like HIDs either, but at least they're not the nasty halogen yellow, so I'll handle that for now. But the LEDs and the fogs is gonna be sweet. I cannot wait to see how these things look at night. I'll definitely get you guys some nighttime shots for sure, and how it looks beating out across the street. But I tested it, it's all good. Repeat the same steps for that side, guys, and then you're good to go. And once you get that done, enjoy these nighttime shots. Well, guys, that was 2 successful light changes in the same day. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I actually changed my parking lights as well today to LEDs, but that's a separate video. But the fog lights are done now too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the nighttime shots. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I hope it was easy to follow through. And remember, if you ever have any questions, always hit me up on the comments down below. Hit me up on IG, moderate_mods. And thank you so much for checking this out, guys. I cannot wait to bring more and more Corvette content to you guys. But until the next one, peace.